Oh no, oh no. Well, hiya. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. Your girl is finishing out the week with her water because, you know, I'm trying to get my snap back, so the goal's gotta stay on track. You hear me? Bars. Now, before I show you guys this install, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a cut, I put that on cut when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with the negativity, with that low mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, catch a break, better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a cut, put that on cut when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that. Jump off my back, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break?
This is the brand new unit by the name of TAYTEN. I got her in the color 1B/PEEKA 27613, and she does retail under $30 depending on where you get her from, as well as the specialty colors that you choose from right here on the back of the stock card. If you want to get any natural colors, they do come in a 1 and a 1B. Now this unit does come with lace from ear to ear, 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. This is only a lace part unit, so you only get the straight back middle part. You cannot turn this unit to the side. If you do, it will be, you know, kind of lopsided, so you will need to cut it to even it up. This unit is made with heat resistant fiber, so she is heat safe up to 400 degrees. I would definitely say this unit is more big head associate than big head friendly. It is fitting down pretty comfortably on my 23-inch head. However, if you wanted to come down ear to ear, you're not gonna get that. Okay, so big head associate is pretty much where I would say she's fitting. I would definitely say this unit is teetering more on the silky side than it is the Yaki side. I initially thought this was going to be a Yaki unit based on how she looked on her stock card. On her card right here, especially with this joint right here, it looked real thick, y'all. But it's not really giving the texture that I was expecting. Outre, you got me again. Ooh, child, when I say I was hot. I was so excited, but it's not really giving the texture that I wanted. It's not really giving the yak or like a thick silky. I mean, it has some texture to it, but it's more on the silkier side depending on the color that you choose. I did try the color 4/PEEKA 2730, and y'all, that's giving a whole bunch of silkiness. Like, it's very silky. It's not giving me the same texture as this 1B is giving me, which is why I didn't really want to review that one, because I just didn't, I didn't like it. Okay, I'm be honest, I didn't really like that color on me because the texture just was wrong and it was sitting a little bit too flat. I have watched some reviews on this unit just in passing, and most of these wigs do look flat pretty much on everyone. Everyone is given a flat bob. I don't like flat bobs on me, especially on my round face. I can't can't do flat bobs. I need some texture. I need some movement. I need some lift. You hear me? I also have the color 425/PEEKA Red 99J. This is what that color looks like out the pack. And again, I feel like it will be really pretty, but it's giving me also more silky than it is texture. So yeah, it will probably still look a little flat on me, but the color is gorgeous. Okay, the color is real pretty. But after messing with that number 4, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and pass her over. Skedaddle. It does give off a I don't want to say a high luster, but it has like a semi luster to it. So if you want to kind of dull that down, definitely use your dry shampoo. I am learning to use the dry shampoo in the correct way, so hold it out really far and then spray it. I be spraying like right here. No wonder my hair be white. It was really easy to style. I would definitely say it's beginner friendly. I did go in and pull some of the hair out right here in the front because the front of the parting space was pinched like a penny. Outre, bust it open. It does come with baby hairs. If you want to use those, you can. Y'all see that I didn't because I didn't feel like it was necessary on my dome. I did use my flat iron to straighten it out here in the front because it was giving me real, you know, real tight neck huggers. And get off me, okay? Get off my neck. I also cut the little tail that was right here because this side was longer than this side. And I thought it was lopsided, but no, it was just longer on one side. So yeah, I guess somebody missed that in the QC, but you know, whatever. I don't know. I just wish there was more texture in this wig. Outre, if you want to go ahead and drop a texturized unit with these colors, that'll be great. That'll be fantastic. I mean, she gives me a little look. They just look so much better on the card. And that's rare. Okay, that's real rare. Y'all tell me down below, am I seeing stuff? Is it growing on me? I don't know, y'all. I really, you know what? Take my glasses off because the glasses are creating a little humpiness. And I'm a little shiny. Hold on. She's definitely giving me, like, you know, the sleek look. I can definitely see the potential of this wig. I think the glasses were tricking me. But obviously I wear glasses all the time. I still can't see without them. I don't know. I mean, y'all see the color? Y'all see the color? It's real cute. You know, she real simple to the front and then she party in the back. Hello. Oh no, oh no. But that is all I got for you guys today. I will put the direct link for my unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.